I built this armoire 25 years ago, and it served many purposes. First one was to hold the old vacuum tube TV, to holding computer systems, hobby stations, closet. But we are now moving, so I want to convert this, repurpose this to a much smaller cabinet. So I'm gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna cut this in half. All right, so I'm gonna use the legs that I cut off that were the original legs for the large armoire. I cut that base off, and I'm gonna use these side panels right here. I have two of them. My large armoire converted into my small armoire is complete. And I want to show you how this thing works. Open this up and the door slides in. And there you go. I have a top that slides out and latches with some locks. And then behind here I have a switch to turn on the lights. So this will be used for a computer station, office space. I'll share it with my wife. She can do her computer work, or I can edit videos here. When that's not being done, we just close up the computer and I can move it to the side. And now I have my workstation. I have electronics down in that little dished out area, all my tools. Up above I have two areas here that hold different supplies. And in the back, I have a charger. There you go. I get more storage up above for things I'm not going to use that much. More supplies, circular saw, random orbital sander, and just some scrap wood. And then down below, I have my dust extractor, drill and driver, and a jigsaw. Thank you everybody for watching, and we'll see you next time.